back to my channel. Today y'all are going to be watching me reinstall one of my old wigs. So first I'm going to review this wig that I'm installing. I'm going to show you guys some of the main products I'm going to be using, and then we'll actually get into the install because y'all will be watching me do that step by step as well. So let's review this wig first. Okay? So this is the girl. I try to name all my wigs, but I forgot her name. But this is what it's going on. So first, let's talk about Amazon wigs. I love Amazon wigs. Like, that's where I get most of my wigs from. They don't fail me. They're good. Like, they last, you know, for a good amount of time. Like, obviously not as long as, you know, other wigs. But this is what I'm not liking. Like, do y'all see that? Like, the different curl pattern, the whole... And that's not like because it's blow dry or nothing. Like, that's not it. So she's also going to be in a little trim. We're going to style her and like cut it a little because I don't like all that little extra hanging off. Like, it just doesn't look good. So we're gonna trim her a little bit. But this is what we'll be installing. I've had to cut off some excess lace and all that, and I did more plucking and whatnot, but it's been bleached, all of that, because it's a reinstall, so it's been installed already. So now I'm going to tell you guys some main products that you're going to need when you're installing or reinstalling your wigs, whatever. So you're definitely going to need some caps. Does not matter, but you are going to need a wig cap for your bald cap method. And speaking of our bald cap method, we're going to be trying a different bald cap method today. My last install, I did it with the ebon spread, which I like. Like, I like the way that it works. It works good for me, yada yada yada. That's what I like. But I have been seeing people just go ahead and doing it with like their lace glue, and so I'm gonna try that because I feel like it would be a good hold as well. And I also just want to have something to compare to because like I've seen both methods and they both look good, but I don't know which one I like because I want to do one. So I'm gonna do both, and then I'm gonna say how I feel about that. And whichever one I like, I'm gonna continue to do more. But anyway, so you're gonna need this, even if you're not using it for your cap or whatever. And then you're obviously gonna need some bow hold lace glue or any lace glue that you want to use. I use bow hold extreme actually. But yeah, you're gonna need an elastic band, of course. You're gonna need combs, of course, all that, you know, you need a comb, a brush, all that type of parts and stuff like that. I also use lace tint. I don't use this as much, but I say still have it on deck just in case. I was late. Okay, I was late to get put on, but makeup for one, and Ruby Kiss. Okay, you need Ruby Kiss. And I use the color 13. So if you think you're close to me, 13, boo. 13. That's what you need. I'm also going to be using... Okay, so now I'm about to go in with my bow hold. But this is pretty much what it look like. I told you I got a big old forehead. Braids, slick back, edges slick back, but I don't like to put my ball caps over my eyes and over the chin and all that because I feel like this is stretched enough. I can see, and real ones know this be causing a headache. Your head and your eyes be hurting already. So I feel like this is enough. But anyway, we're gonna go in with the bow hold over the elbow, and we're gonna start this ball cap. Okay. So I'm just taking off this excess glue because I hate when I do that. And then, yeah, we're just gonna go in like that and get it popping. Okay, so I did go in with a little bit of ebon spray, just a little. But now I'm about to get into the makeup. And so I'm gonna just apply this all on this head. And yeah, that's what we're about to do. So I don't even know who put me on to like Ruby Kiss. I guess I was just steady watching videos and I kept seeing it, and man, I tried to find this in a beauty supply, and for some reason, y'all, I could not. And then I see people still doing like cream foundation, and I didn't know nothing about makeup, so I was like, oh, maybe that. No. No, not at all. But I finally found me some, and like I haven't run out yet because I don't do that many installs, and I mean, even though it's little, you do it because you don't need that much. But like, obviously, if you had a middle part, you want a middle part area, you want it on these edges because that's what everybody doing. Everybody be seeing them edges. Okay, so now that I've applied the makeup and the ball cap is done and whatnot, I'm gonna take my girl off her little stand, and I'm gonna just check it really quick just to see what it's looking like. But I feel like I need to zoom and whatnot. So, she go. And so we can just try to make sure let's just see, okay? Let's see how I'm feeling. Okay. Not too shabby, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with these ears, these little ear tabs, because I hate ear tabs, okay? But yeah, okay. So now we're gonna go in what I do and what not. Or maybe I should cut it first. I'm thinking I should go ahead and give her the cut, because I feel like I'm not gonna be able to do it while it's on me. Because I'm not gonna be in here like, nah, we ain't there yet, nah. But no, I'm loving it. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I'm in the mirror, but I'm just checking for real, trying to see what is giving a girl. Alright, let me stop sounding like that. But yeah, I'm getting a little excited, okay, guys? Yes, because this wig is like the perfect fit for me. And it's kind of like up on the sides. And I might cut it even more because I told you I don't like the ear tabs. I don't mess with them. But okay, comfortable. Okay, y'all. Maybe I shouldn't cut it. Ooh. This puffy look good, right? But, oh, maybe I shouldn't cut it. But this is just, maybe I should just put it on. And then I just have to cut it if I really don't like it. I'm wearing this wig for like 2 days. I'm doing too much. Yeah, but okay. Ooh, stiff wear right there, boo. Okay, but all right, let's actually get into this. Okay, so my phone literally cut off and did not record the part where I was putting on the wig, like the most important part, guys. And I'm too mad about that. But that's okay. It's okay. We're still gonna let this show y'all ball cap and more. And I cut a lot of these ear tabs, guys, because I was telling y'all I don't like that. But I'm gonna just show y'all the rest of this install and how I'm gonna do it and how we're gonna do this part, this hair, and everything else. Okay, so right now I'm about to go in and see if I need to do any plucking. I'm about to go in, see what I want to do with makeup and spray and spritz and whatnot. And yeah, that's what we're about to see. That's the point of the install we are at. And I have to like put more glue because I put it kind of back a little bit. But yeah, so I'm about to go in and do that. And see. Merge that all back. See what we've been what we thinking. Definitely. But not. First off, this part not even in the middle. So for one, let's get that right. That was close, because I mean, for me to do that on the witch color, I did that on the doll only. I'm not complaining. It was barely off, and I didn't know where the hell my hair was gonna be. But now I know. Okay. Woo! Forehead on swole. Gotta go. Okay. Yes. All right, y'all know I'll be getting focused a little bit when I get to do this hair. Okay. Cause you gotta focus now. Get this shit done. So I already have like my part that's section off to cover like the track to the back. That's already sectioned off and whatnot. So this is just the two front parts. But I'm not even really trying to get into all of that right now. Alright, let's get more. So like baby hairs and this lace still because it needs some work. Okay, so I'm just hot combing that part back and get it right a little bit. And I get hot comb happy. That's what I get, which is not really a bad thing. Because it's not gonna be too flat. You know what I'm saying? But I get really happy with that hot comb. So now. Then you let this dry, then you put that headband on. Y'all be spraying this headband. No, bookie. I'm saying no, but I just learned. Y'all, I just learned that because I showed you the spray headband. But nah, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. Then I am going to put some light makeup on there. And whatnot. Okay? Just going to keep going with it. And then I'm going to get into these edges in a little bit. Okay, so right here, guys, I'm just showing y'all how I did my edges. I just took the little razor and cut them shorter, and you'll see me cut them again a couple times. And then I just went in with mousse and got to be gel and did the little C motion, you know, the little regular, and laid them little edges. So yeah. Okay, so I know y'all see me going over my edges again and again and again. I always feel like I just have to do it like so many times to get that right look. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Like I never get it on the first try. Like, so you're gonna see me just keep doing them and keep doing them and keep doing them because it takes like 30 C motions, I promise. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'm gonna be doing that for a minute. But yeah. So this is how it turned out. I did edges and everything else off camera because my camera is acting up because I'm on my phone and whatnot. But this is the look. This is the look. I ended up not cutting it because I am in love with this look. Like I'm just in love with it. I love it poofy, but I waited just a little, like just a little, so it's poofy better than like dry, you know. So it's giving for me, okay. But yes, so this is how it turned out. And thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will have many more installs because I'm gonna be doing this forever and ever. No, but no, I will have many more installs coming, reinstalls, how to clean your lace, and all of that. So thank you for watching.